Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. So this video is all about denial of marriage. That means what is the astrological combination for the people who are not interested and who remain single for their lifetime. Okay. So most importantly, denial of marriage, and also for the people who got divorced and they are leading a single life, all have this kind of combination. Okay. So the first and foremost thing for marriage, we have to check the seventh house in Vedic birth chart. So seventh house talks about marriage, relationships, business partnerships, and also characteristics of your spouse. Okay. So let me tell you some of the combinations which ensure a denial of marriage. Okay. So if Moon and Venus under the full control of Saturn, okay, then, for example, Saturn is aspecting both Venus and Moon, and your seventh house lord is debilitated. Okay, there is a sign. This is the sign or indication that you will remain unmarried. Also, if Venus is combusted, okay, and has influence of Saturn, let's say Venus is combusted with Sun. Obviously, any planet comes closer to Sun, it will get combusted. If Venus gets some combusted through Sun and Saturn aspect on Venus brings denial in marriage. Okay, and also Moon in the 10th house and is conjunct with Saturn, because Saturn plus Moon conjunction gives higher idealism. So these people go in a very spiritual path and they doesn't like to get married. Okay, Shri Swami Vivekananda have this horoscope. Okay, because they have that detachment, and also Saturn here represents Vairagya, so they undergo they remain unmarried generally if at all you have Saturn, you know, as I mentioned to you, the Moon in the 10th conjunct with Saturn. Okay, Mercury in the 7th with 12th lord and the 6th lord. Okay, Mercury in the 7th with 12th lord and 6th lord brings denial in the marriage. And Venus with Mars and 7th lord in the 6th or 7th house. One will be having so many lovers and have no interest in marriage. And if at all Venus is afflicted in Gemini, Leo and Virgo, for all this it brings a denial in marriage. Alright, and the placement of Saturn and Mars in Lagna in 6th or 8th house or 7th from Navamsha Lagna destroys the marriage. Let me repeat, the placement of Saturn and Mars in Lagna in 6th or 8th house or 7th from Navamsha Lagna destroys marriage. When 7th lord in 6th is weak and debilitated, 7th lord sitting in the 6th and it is debilitated or weak. And the malefics in 7th house or 12th house, and if at all you have waning moon in 5th or 9th with no aspect from Jupiter. Okay, so this malefic aspect, this malefic significance in the birth chart brings denial in the marriage. Alright, when Sun is in Gemini and is with aspect of Saturn, makes the person not to get married. 7th lord happened to be Venus and ascendant in unfertile Rashis. When Venus is debilitated, the 7th lord happened to be Venus and he is debilitated, no marriage. 3 Lagnas, Sun, Moon, Ascendant having aspect of Saturn, and Venus, Sun and Moon all are afflicted by Saturn. Alright, and most importantly, interplanetary bar in the ascendant. In the ascendant is purely afflicted by Saturn, Rahu, Ketu with no benefic aspect, brings no marriage. Alright, so these are certain combinations as per Sage Parashara Hora Shastra. In fact, there are some more combinations, but these are most important combinations we'll be generally checking in the birth chart. And do watch my future videos, and also do watch my past videos in this YouTube channel, because I have made so many videos on marriage prospects. So that will give you a complete picture on marriage astrology. Alright. So thank you so much for accessing this video, and if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button. And also, if at all you need my consultations, please book from the link that is mentioned in the description section. Once you book for the consultation, so that I can able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. Okay, so thank you so much and bye for now.